Hi, it's Rana, and today I have a unboxing for an order that I placed with Bythewell4God. They did an unboxing or just a whole video showing all of the new products. This is a company that has just relocated, and this is their first order in their new location. They have a whole new shop, and I thought possibly a few people hadn't found them yet. They have some amazing things. It's geared towards Bible journaling, but I had bought a couple of these from my friend Nikki, and a couple of stamps and some papers and things like that, and I just fell in love with it. If you've seen my videos for my Alaska album, I had a few used a few things from it in that, the one that I bought from her, but this is my first order. So I wanted to kind of do a little unboxing here. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna open this up. So I didn't even know I was getting this, but I love it. I love that lamb. He is risen. That'll be so fun to use. I thought I should put something down here so that I didn't have such a glare and you would be able to see better. So this is some fabric, little fabric strips. That's pretty. That'll be fun. Love that. And all these cute little cards. Look at these. And they each have a verse on the back. Great little, no, not all of them. Some of them have a verse. These are cute. That has like a pattern of a little picket fence on there. Great little journaling cards. All the different colors. Fun. Some little bunny stickers. All of the little bunnies holding baskets. Some flowers and probably some eggs. Yep, some eggs. There's an alpha, a little tile alpha. This talks about their company. And then this is talking about I was thinking this was going to be talking about the Bible study because it comes with a devotional. So I'm excited about that. Cute tissue paper. I should have tried to save it a little bit, but I'm excited to get inside. I still might be able to use a little bit of it. Isn't that fun? Okay. So here's the stamp that I chose, and it's names of Jesus, names of Savior, Advocate, El Shaddai. It's beautiful. Ooh, look what they did with it. That is really cool. Here's the paper pack. They don't do 12 by 12 papers, but I thought I could make this work just with the 6 by 8. It's nice paper. There's the little lamb. I think there's 3 of each. So it's double-sided and 3 of each. I loved this one. And I think that I can definitely, using a solid background or a coordinating pattern paper, I can make these work. Some great, I love that purple that's in this. Candles. This one, can you see that? There's doves. I love that. Some bows. Can always use bows. It's pretty yellow. Looks like a stained glass. Beautiful. And here's the last one, 3 sheets of this one, and it is little baskets with eggs in it. Super cute. Give praise to the Lord. So paper clips and some fabric on them. Super cute. Has a verse on it. Here is the ephemera. So this part comes like in a kit. You could buy this whole thing and then the other pieces that I added on. This is all the ephemera. I loved this ephemera. Try and move this over. A goose. There's a lamb, a bunny with some eggs, some florals, some books with a bird nest, eggs, some more eggs. And they're not just like all colored eggs. These like look like the eggs my chickens lay. I love that. So some of these might end up on some chicken pages as well as Easter pages. Bird and a birdhouse. Now this one's more colored eggs. Got some blue and pink in there. Pretty. Another lamb. Some beautiful florals. Love that one. The wheat and the tulips. We've got a bunny and a chick. Another bunny. The cutest little bunnies. The lady. A couple of ladies. She's holding a basket and another lamb. And then another little bowl full of eggs. Love that. Also, with the purchase of this kit, I also got the digitals that include some of these images. So, fun little stamp, alpha set, little stamp. I guess that's the same font that they used on here. Love that. Here's the devotional. So that'll be fun. And I'm looking forward to doing this. I have not done that, one of theirs, so I'm excited about that. This, I did use one of these with the kit that I bought for my friend. And this is watercolors. And it was highly pigmented and a really nice watercolor set. I used it a couple of times and I still have quite a bit that I can still use on that set that I had from her. So here are the stickers. I believe these are clear stickers. Very pretty. Some of the same images. We've got a branch with some eggs. And this looks like washi, but I'm sure it's just a clear sticker, so it's going to be not able to be torn and things, but that's okay. I like it. Another alpha. So give praise to the Lord. A few more cards. And they could be used with the image, or they could be used just as a journaling card, or they could go in a pocket, and either way, fun. Some labels, the numbers that go with that alpha. And this was the packaging, but more of the little lambs. So that's everything, and the cute little bag that it came in. I love it. So cute. That is everything that I got, and I hope that I will have some videos using some of these products coming up on my channel very soon. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.